Your interviewing style has always been admirable, making good conversations with people. How did this style develop through the years? Actually, that sets you apart, no? Parang lahat ng content na nilalabas mo, yung paano pa to, your B-side, your BRGY, it's all really good conversations.
Maraming salamat for thinking so. Ako, ang style ko, feeling ko na-develop ko kasi early on in my career, ako ay naging controversial. Wow! Oo, parang meron akong naging malaking controversy after I exited the PBB house as a housemate.
Share mo na.
Grabe ka naman, parang makikita nyo na yun sa TikTok.
Super big issue po yun. Talaga, promise.
Nasa tabloid, gano'n. So, anyway, what I mean to say is, nung time na yun, kung ano-anong mahihirap at masakit at judgmental na tanong ang ibinabato sa akin pag press con, pag media con. And so, I know what it feels like to feel on the spot, to feel medyo embarrassed publicly. And so, I knew that whenever magkakaroon ako ng chance na ako naman ang mag-i-interview, never ko yun paparamdam sa interviewing ko. I want to feel like a safe space. I want to feel like someone that they can trust and mag-open up sila dahil doon at hindi dahil prines ko sila for a controversy.
Ako, the good thing that I observe with you is that you know a lot and you don't know a lot. Alam mo yung parang meron kang moments na parang you ask as if you know a lot, but in reality, you're actually digging more from your subject so that you'll absorb more.
Ay, salamat. Coming from you, that means a lot. Thank you.
Oh, yan ha, alam mo na. Mamaya, Gcash mo na lang.
Gcash.
Okay, next question is from Nina from Cinema One.
Ay, salamat.
You've been known as a loving mom, a warm and engaging host on PBB, TFC shows, and Cinema One. Now that you renewed your contract as a kapamilya, how do you plan to stay focused and balanced, both being a public figure and in your personal life?
If anything, I feel na mas gamay ko na ngayon dahil ang aking mga anak ay 9 and 6 years old already. And yun nga, take turns kami ng asawa ko. Dahil nandito ako sa work ngayon, siya nag-aalaga ng kids. Pag siya naman ang nasa work, ako nag-aalaga ng mga kids.
You just had a trip?
Yes. A trip to visit my sister sa London. So, kaming apat yon. Super sarap na quality time na pamilya. But yes, I think yung balance does not exist. I don't believe talaga na merong such a thing as work-life balance. At certain points, may mag-give talaga, may sacrifice, tapos babawi ka. Parang it's more a juggling act. Pero thankfully na yung partner ko, yung husband ko, super supportive in everything that I do. Dahil ang dami kong gustong gawin sa life. So nagpapasalamat ako sa asawa ko na understanding siya and in-encourage niya ako sa ganun kong mga dreams.
I am amazed with your sense of balance kasi kaka-mention mo lang, you went to London, nagkaroon ka pa ng time to be with Enchong, Robbie, Mikey, and the PBB folks in Taiwan. So parang, alam mo yun, parang nag-make sense sa akin yung word na balance. Not just with family, but also with friends, you know.
But yun nga, for me, balance, hindi talaga siya nag-e-exist. Baka yun lang ang impression na nakukuha ng mga tao. Oo, pero ano talaga siya? Series of trade-offs.
Right.
Yun siya talaga.
Janice Navida of Bulgar wants to ask, aside from being a successful TV host, a wife and a mom, do you still have dreams in your bucket list? You want to take a look at your bucket list?
Dreams in my bucket list.
Short-term bucket list.
Ang dami pa. I want to write a book again. I want to write paano ba to? Two.
Paano ba two?
Witty.
Paano ba two?
Gusto ko din makapaggawa ng mas maraming international interviews such as you, whether it's junkets or the opportunity to work regionally.
You just had Manny Jacinto.
Yes,
nice conversation with Manny.
Thank you very much. And ako talaga, I want to try other formats. Kasi syempre dito, kilala ako na ate ako in Pinoy Big Brother. But I know that when I get the chance to do another type of either a talent competition, a reality show, game na game ako na mag-try ng ibang klaseng style naman doon.
Parang okay ka din sa kung hindi na pwede si Juday, bet on your baby.
Ay, ang saya!
Di ba, no?
Ang cute ng bet on your baby. Pero I love Juday and bet on your baby.
Sinabi ko naman, just
kung pass
in
na
case
siya doon, game na game ako.
Di ba, bagay ka doon.
Thank you.
Si Mika Geronimo of Cinehub would like to ask, you've been regarded as a Morena beauty throughout the years. What does that special distinction mean to you? And what do you feel about Morena representation in media today?
I am
That's
truly...
a loaded question.
Oo, totoo. Napakalaking honor, responsibility, and pressure na maging Morena icon, in quotes. Pero I am glad kasi nung nagsimula ako sa industriya talaga siya ng mga tisay, mapuputi. I would often get bashed dahil ako ay maitim kumpara sa aking mga katrabaho. But I'm so glad na now, napakarami ng magagandang Morena who prove na hindi kailangan maging maputi para maging maganda. And I'm happy to see more of us in the industry.
I saw your editorial in Allure.
Salamat.
The Morena Beauties.
Diba, Angel Aquino, Tweety De Leon, Mylene Dizon, diba, ang gaganda. Tumiklop na ako sa pictorial, parang, oh, ganda nila.
Tumiklop, umaura ka nga doon.
Syempre, kailangan lumaban.
Hindi ka nagpatalo. Diba? Thank you, Mika, for your question. Last question is a question we got online. If you were to interview a famous personality, who would it be and why? And what would be your pasabog question?
That's so difficult.
It is difficult.
Anyone.
Anyone living. Famous personality. Kasi baka sabi mo, Cleopatra eh. Wala nga namang buhayin pa namin si Madam.
Siguro isa to sa mga hindi ko pa na-interview, na dream interview ko. Si Tita Cory Vidanes.
Okay, and what
I've
would
never
be your
interviewed
pasabog
her.
question?
Ang tatanungin ko lang sa kanya, sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ng ABS-CBN the past few years, ano ang pinakamalaking at importanteng lesson na baon-baon mo? Grabe ang mga pinagdaanan nating lahat, and Tita Cory is our mother figure, di ba? Who stayed strong amidst it all. And siguro ngayon, iba na yung view niya sa mga nangyari versus nung nasa kalagitnaan talaga tayo ng lahat na yun. So I'd love to sit down with her. Actually, and Sir Carlo Katigbak as well. Silang dalawa, di ko pa na-interview. To ask them about lessons learned sa panahon na yon.
Sinama mo ba sa kontrata mo ngayon yan?
Hindi nga eh.
Sana sinama mo
Addendum na lang.
Sana sinama mo naman. Thank you so much, palampakan natin, Bianca Gonzalez.
Thank you very much.
Your message of
MJ.
love to all our kapamilyas and to everyone who are looking forward to your next and upcoming projects.
Grabe. First of all, thank you, MJ.
We're
Maraming
manifesting.
salamat. Yeah. Maraming salamat din to our friends from the media and the press. Thank you everyone sa lahat ng mga kapamilya na sumubaybay sa akin, sa Pinoy Big Brother throughout all these years. I am just overwhelmed with gratefulness sa opportunity na kapamilya pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. May mga pinipitch, niluluto kami ni MJ na mga ideas na mga gusto naming gawin. Sana mangyari ang mga yan. But yes, just continue to support all our Kapamilya programs. And of course, abangan nyo ang PBB Collab 2.
We love you.
Love you, MJ.
Thank you to all our kapamilyas who watched us. Enjoy and ingat lagi. Love you, Bianca!
Thank you,